The deals just keep on rolling, boys. Welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. This time I have an amazing deal from ToolNut. For this deal, you get the starter kit you're looking at for free when you buy select Bear tools. This also goes through, I believe it was May 3rd. I have a post on my website, which I will link down below. Has the full list of tools included. And I believe ToolNut has free shipping on orders over $99. I could have swore they used to have a little blurb up here that said that, but maybe not. Anyways, I think that's what their free shipping threshold is. The starter kit here, 12 volt again. You're getting a 5 amp hour battery, which is really great for this kit. And you're getting a 3 amp hour battery. So many times when we get free starter kit promotions, they try and give you like a 2 amp hour battery. Or if you get a battery, it's not the starter kit, it's just a single battery. You're getting 2 batteries, plus this is the good charger. This is the DCB 115, and when we posted the deal yesterday for that Power Stack kit, I was complaining about the charger they included because that was the DCB 112. The 115 is the one you want. It's twice as fast as the 112. So we get the good charger. It charges both 12 and 20 volts. So if you're already in the 20 volt lineup and you want the better charger, you can get it with this deal. And this is free when you buy the select Bear tools. So let's look at the Bear tools. We're going to start from the cheapest on up. Now this is $119, which seems a little expensive for this type of light, but it's the cheapest option if you want the starter kit. So it's the DeWALT 12 or 20 volt max compact task light. Next up, we have the DeWALT corded or 12 volt 20 volt max Bluetooth speaker at $119. We also have the DeWALT Extreme 12 volt brushless hammer drill for $129. Oh, get off my screen. Get off. I've been having an awful time with their website being very laggy today, and I don't know if it's my computer or theirs. DeWALT Extreme 12 volt max 5 3/8 inch circular saw for $144.99. The DeWALT Extreme 12 volt max brushless one-handed reciprocating saw at $149. Now this is the one that I think I am most likely going to get. The DeWALT Extreme 12 volt max brushless 3/8 inch cordless impact wrench $154.99. My initial plan, unless I change my mind, is I can have the 12 volt and the 3/8, and then for 20 volt I'll keep the 1/2 inch drive, and then I can have both. You know, when you're working on a project, the bigger stuff go to the 1/2 inch, the smaller stuff use the 3/8 inch, and I'm assuming this might be a little bit smaller, the batteries and everything, the whole overall tool, than the 20 volt stuff, so I think that'll work out that way. Maybe, since I already have both the 3/8 and a 1/2 inch drive in the 20 volt, maybe I have to get both, this one for $154.99 and this one, and then I got all sorts of options. I got all kinds of options. We might have to, we might be a greedy pig, although I've spent a lot of money on tools lately, and the credit card is not going to be a fun bill to pay this month. DeWALT 12 volt max 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench, again $154.99. And we have the DeWALT Extreme 12 volt brushless cordless bandsaw at $189.99. So that is our most expensive item. I really like the starter kit that it comes with though. These 2 batteries with that charger, if I were to make my ideal starter kit for the 12 volt lineup, that would be it. Those batteries right there. I really like that starter kit, and that's really what's pushing me over the edge of why I'm going to have to buy at least one. And I think it's going to be the 3/8 inch. There it is, guys. The link will be down below if you want to see those list of tools. I did include the prices, so if they change or anything, you know what they were at the time of posting. It goes through May 3rd, and I think you're going to get free shipping on any of the items that you purchase. So make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.